Dear brothers and sisters, today our topic is hard work leads to success in our life. Everyone wants success, but not everyone is ready to work hard for it. Islam teaches us that success does not come by wishing or dreaming only. It comes through effort, patience, and dedication. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran that man will only get what he strives for. This means our results are directly connected with our effort. If we work sincerely, Allah will open doors of success for us. Dear friends, look at the life of the prophets. Prophet Muhammad also worked hard, faced difficulties, and never gave up. Before becoming a prophet, he was known for honesty, hard work, and trustworthiness. His life teaches us that success comes after struggle. Hard work is not only about physical effort, but also about focus, discipline, and consistency. A student who studies regularly. A worker who gives full effort in his job, and a person who stays patient during difficulties. Allah blesses all of them. We should also remember that laziness destroys opportunities. A lazy person always depends on luck, but a hard-working person depends on action, and action is what brings real change. So, dear brothers and sisters, if we want success in this world and the hereafter, we must adopt hard work, honesty, and patience in our lives. May Allah give us the success in every part of our life. Ameen. Thank you.